Hi everyone, I'm going to make my salted egg activity. First you need a large jar with a lid, mixing bowl, 1 liter of water, 600 grams of raw salt. Rock salt is much better to use. Mixing spoon and eggs. Make sure is washed and clean. It's up to you of how many eggs you would like. For me, I will just use 10 eggs because my glass jar is not that big enough. And later, I will use an air pot to boil my solution. Now let's start. First, put the 600 grams of salt into the mixing bowl. Then slowly add the 1 liter of water. And mix well until all salt is completely dissolved. Now that the salt is dissolved, now I will boil it using my air pot. While waiting for the solution, let's prepare our eggs. I take off my gloves so it will be easy to hold the egg. Make sure that you carefully place all eggs in the jar without cracking the eggs, because the result will not be good if there's a crack. So should slowly place inside the jar. After placing all the eggs, we can now pour the boiling solution into the jar. Again, be careful. The solution must cover the eggs or must be full soaked by the solution. As you can see, the eggs are floating, but all the egg must be soaked by the solution. You can get a plastic bag and fill it with water and tie it up. Then place the water bag on top of the eggs to keep them under the salt solution. It will help to add weight to our eggs so all the eggs will be soaked by the solution. Then cover the jar and we'll keep it at room temperature for between 15 to 25 days. I think I will use a cloth to cover the jar, and we'll place it under our stairs. And that's it. I'm going to wait 15 to 25 days. Thanks for watching. after 15 days. Now I will boil the egg for about 15 minutes. Oh look, it's time to get the egg. Now let's turn off the induction cooker. Be careful to get the egg when it's hot. Now let's see how my salted egg looks like. Look how my salted egg looks like. There's oil that came out of the egg. Let's taste it. It's salty. Mission complete. The homemade DIY salted egg. Thanks for watching.